In today's fast-paced world where health often takes a backseat to convenience, a surprising ancient practice is making a comeback, promising not just weight loss, but a whole host of health benefits, including for our kidneys. Did you know that intermittent fasting, a method used for centuries, could be the modern-day key to unlocking better kidney health? This practice, once rooted in tradition and survival, is now being hailed as a pathway to rejuvenate our bodies, potentially offering our kidneys the much-needed respite they deserve. Let's dive into how this age-old practice can offer new hope for our kidney health. Intermittent fasting, IF, is not just a diet trend, but a lifestyle shift that's gaining traction for its wide array of health benefits. Beyond its well-known potential for weight loss and metabolic health improvement, IF is emerging as a strategy that might offer significant advantages for kidney health. This approach to eating, which alternates between periods of eating and fasting, is being studied for its ability to enhance bodily functions, reduce oxidative stress, and improve overall health. The flexibility of IF with various methods like the 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours, and eat during an 8-hour window, or the 5.2 method, which involves eating normally for 5 days and reducing calorie intake for 2 non-consecutive days, makes it an appealing option for many looking to improve their health. As we explore the potential of intermittent fasting for kidney health, we uncover how this practice could support the kidney's natural detoxification processes and promote a healthier, more vibrant life. Did you know that over 37 million American adults are living with chronic kidney disease, CKD, and millions more are at risk, making it a silent epidemic that largely goes unnoticed until it's advanced? This startling statistic highlights not just the prevalence of kidney health issues, but also underscores the critical role that diet plays in maintaining kidney health. Our kidneys, the unsung heroes in our body's detoxification process, are profoundly affected by what we eat and drink. Everything from the amount of protein we consume to our intake of water, salt, and certain minerals can have a significant impact on kidney function. This connection between diet and kidney health emphasizes the importance of mindful eating habits, particularly in a world where processed foods are the norm. As we delve deeper into the benefits of intermittent fasting for kidney health, remember, what we choose to put on our plates can be just as powerful as any medicine in preserving the health of these vital organs. Our kidneys are vital organs with the primary role of filtering and detoxifying the blood. Every day, these remarkable bean-shaped organs filter about 120 to 150 quarts of blood to produce about 1 to 2 quarts of urine, which consists of wastes and extra fluid. But their job doesn't stop there. Kidneys also help regulate blood pressure, keep electrolyte levels balanced, and produce red blood cells. The impact of diet on kidney workload is profound. Consuming a diet high in processed foods, salt, and sugar can increase the kidney's workload, forcing them to work harder to filter out excess waste and sodium. This not only increases the risk of kidney stones, but can also lead to chronic kidney disease over time. On the other hand, a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains can support kidney function by providing the necessary nutrients while reducing the accumulation of toxins, thus easing the kidney's workload. Essentially, the healthier the diet, the easier it is for the kidneys to perform their detoxification role efficiently. Intermittent fasting, REF, is a simple yet powerful approach to eating that focuses on when you eat rather than what you eat. At its core, IF divides your day or week into eating periods and fasting periods. During fasting times, you abstain from all or most foods and drinks containing calories. This cycle of fasting and eating aims to tap into your body's innate mechanisms for optimizing energy use and rejuvenating its cells. There are a few popular methods of IF, each with its own schedule and approach. The 16-8 method. Also known as the Lean Gains Protocol, it involves fasting for 16 hours each day and limiting your eating to an 8-hour window. For many, this might mean skipping breakfast and eating from noon to 8 p.m. The 5.2 diet. This involves eating normally for 5 days of the week and reducing calorie intake to about 500–600 calories for the other 2 non-consecutive days. Eat. This involves a 24-hour fast once or twice a week, for example, not eating from dinner one day until dinner the next day. The basic science behind it centers on the changes that occur in the body during fasting periods. When you fast, several things happen in your body on the cellular and molecular level. For instance, your body changes hormone levels to make stored body fat more accessible for energy, and it initiates important cellular repair processes. This can lead to reduced inflammation, improved metabolic health, and over time, it may offer protective benefits against diseases like type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. Importantly, for kidney health, these processes could help in reducing the workload on the kidneys by optimizing the body's management of wastes and reducing oxidative stress. As we explore the intriguing world of intermittent fasting and its potential benefits, it's important to pause and reflect on our own daily routines. So, here's a thought-provoking question for you. Have you ever considered how the timing of your meals could affect your health? Beyond just what you eat, the when could be a key factor in optimizing your body's natural processes, including those vital functions carried out by your kidneys. How does your current eating schedule align with your body's needs? Could adjusting this schedule be the missing piece in your health puzzle? Let's dive deeper into understanding the impact of meal timing and how it might unlock a healthier you. Recent research has started to shed light on the fascinating link between intermittent fasting, IF, and kidney health, offering hope that adjusting meal timing could have profound health benefits. Without delving too deep into the scientific jargon, let's highlight some of the key findings. Improved metabolic efficiency. Studies have shown that IF can enhance metabolic functions, reducing insulin resistance and lowering blood sugar levels. This is crucial because high insulin levels and poor blood sugar control can put extra stress on the kidneys, forcing them to work harder to filter blood. By improving these metabolic parameters, IF could indirectly support kidney health by easing their workload. Reduction in blood pressure. High blood pressure is a leading cause of kidney damage. Some research suggests that EF can help lower blood pressure, thereby reducing the strain on kidney vessels and supporting overall kidney function. Decrease in oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress and inflammation can contribute to the deterioration of kidney function over time. IF has been associated with reduced levels of oxidative stress and inflammatory markers in the body, suggesting a protective effect on the kidneys by mitigating these harmful processes. Enhancement of autophagy. Autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells to regenerate newer, healthier cells. IF has been found to trigger autophagy, which could help in removing toxins and damaged cells from the body, including the kidneys, thus promoting better kidney health. While more research is needed to fully understand the direct impact of IF on kidney health, these studies offer promising insights into how adopting fasting practices could aid in detoxification and enhance the metabolic functions related to kidney health. It's an exciting area of study that points to the potential of dietary patterns not just for weight loss, but as a means to support the body's natural healing processes, including those of our vital organs like the kidneys. As we delve deeper into the potential benefits of intermittent fasting, IF, for kidney health, it's not just the research that speaks volumes. Real-life stories and hypothetical scenarios can truly illuminate the impact IF might have on an individual's journey towards better kidney health. In the upcoming segments, we'll share compelling testimonies from those who've incorporated IF into their lives, highlighting how this change has influenced their kidney function and overall well-being. Imagine the story of Alex, a middle-aged individual struggling with early signs of kidney stress, who turned to IF in a bid to reclaim their health. Or consider Jamie, who, facing the risk factors of chronic kidney disease, adopted an IF lifestyle as a preventive measure. Through their experiences, we'll explore the challenges and triumphs, providing a glimpse into the practical application of IF and its potential to transform kidney health. Stay tuned as these stories unfold, offering not just inspiration, but also a closer look at how the simple act of timing your meals could make a significant difference in managing and improving kidney health. Intermittent fasting, IEF, operates through several biological mechanisms that have the potential to significantly impact kidney health by reducing oxidative stress and inflammation, two major factors that contribute to the development and progression of chronic kidney disease, CKD. Reduction in oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there's an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in your body. Free radicals are oxygen-containing molecules with an uneven number of electrons, allowing them to easily react with other molecules. While they are a normal byproduct of cellular processes, in excess, they can cause damage to fats, DNA, and proteins in your cells, contributing to aging and diseases like CKD. IF helps reduce oxidative stress by enhancing the body's antioxidant defenses. During fasting periods, the reduced intake of food decreases the production of free radicals while simultaneously increasing the production of enzymes that neutralize harmful oxidants. Decrease in inflammation. Chronic inflammation is another pathway through which CKD can develop and progress. It's a prolonged, harmful response of the body's immune system that can target the kidneys among other organs. IF has been shown to lower levels of inflammation in the body by reducing the production of pro-inflammatory cytokines, which are signaling proteins released by cells to promote inflammation. Additionally, fasting can trigger a reduction in the accumulation of monocytes, a type of white blood cell in the bloodstream. Monocytes are known to contribute to inflammation when present in excessive amounts. Improved autophagy. Autophagy is the body's way of cleaning out damaged cells in order to regenerate newer, healthier cells. IF promotes autophagy, which is beneficial for reducing the toxicity in cellular components. That can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress if not properly managed. This cellular housekeeping is crucial for maintaining kidney health, as it helps in eliminating dysfunctional proteins and organelles that can exacerbate kidney damage. By initiating these mechanisms, IF can play a significant role in reducing the factors that contribute to CKD. Lowering oxidative stress and inflammation while improving the body's natural cleaning processes could potentially lower the risk of CKD and support overall kidney health. These mechanisms highlight the profound impact that simply altering eating patterns through intermittent fasting can have on our body's internal environment, offering a promising avenue for the prevention and management of kidney disease. Imagine your kidneys as dedicated workers in a 24/7 factory, tirelessly sifting through and processing waste materials, ensuring that only the cleanest, purest product, in this case, your blood, is released back into circulation. Now, consider how even the most dedicated employees' productivity and well-being can benefit from a well-timed break or vacation. This rest period allows them to return to work recharged, more focused and efficient than ever. Intermittent fasting, IF, offers a similar vacation to your kidneys. During fasting periods, because you're not constantly adding new materials, foods and fluids, into the system for processing, your kidneys get a much-needed respite. This break from their relentless filtration schedule allows them to catch up on their workload without new inputs piling up, similar to how an office worker can catch up on emails when not constantly receiving new ones. Just as rest can sharpen our focus and increase our productivity, this temporary reduction in dietary workload can help the kidneys function more efficiently, potentially reducing the risk of wear and tear that comes from continuous, heavy filtering. This analogy helps illustrate the rejuvenating power of intermittent fasting on kidney health, offering a pathway to improved function and longevity for these vital organs. While intermittent fasting, IF, has shown promising benefits for many, it's important to acknowledge that this approach to eating isn't suitable for everyone. Just as each individual's nutritional needs are unique, so too is their ability to safely engage in fasting practices. Certain underlying health conditions can make fasting more risky and potentially harmful. Individuals with diabetes. For those managing diabetes, especially type 1 diabetes, fasting can significantly impact blood sugar levels. It's crucial for individuals with diabetes to approach IF with caution and under the guidance of a healthcare provider to avoid episodes of hypoglycemia or hyperglycemia. Pregnant or breastfeeding women. Nutritional needs are heightened during pregnancy and breastfeeding to support the health and development of the baby. Fasting could deprive both the mother and the baby of essential nutrients, making it an unsuitable practice during these critical periods. People with a history of eating disorders. For individuals who have struggled with eating disorders, fasting can trigger unhealthy behaviors or thought patterns related to food and body image. It's important for these individuals to follow eating patterns that promote a healthy relationship with food. Those with certain medical conditions. Individuals with conditions that require regular food intake to manage symptoms or medication absorption, such as certain gastrointestinal or metabolic disorders, should not undertake IF without professional medical advice. It's always recommended to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new dietary regimen, including IF, to ensure it aligns with your health needs and goals. This consultation is especially critical for those with existing health conditions or special nutritional requirements. Balancing the narrative around IF involves recognizing its potential benefits while also considering its appropriateness on an individual basis, ensuring that everyone prioritizes their health and well-being in the context of their unique life circumstances. As we've navigated the intriguing potential of intermittent fasting, IF, for kidney health, it's clear that this approach holds promise but also requires careful consideration based on individual health conditions and lifestyles. Before embarking on a journey with IF, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional to tailor this practice to your personal health profile. This brings us to an interactive moment in our discussion. Imagine you're sitting down with your doctor, ready to discuss the possibility of integrating IF into your life, especially from the perspective of kidney health and overall well-being. What questions would you ask your doctor about IF and kidney health? Would you inquire about how IF could affect your specific health condition? Are you curious about the ideal fasting schedule that might work best for you? Or perhaps you're interested in understanding the potential risks and how to mitigate them. Sharing these questions not only helps us create a collective repository of concerns and curiosities, but also prepares you for a meaningful conversation with your healthcare provider. Feel free to drop your questions in the comments section below. Let's create a dialogue that not only fosters individual learning, but also builds a community of informed health enthusiasts eager to explore the benefits of IF with safety and health as priorities. As we wrap up our exploration of intermittent fasting, IF, and its potential impact on kidney health, it's your turn to weigh in. Whether you've tried IF yourself, are considering it, or have insights on kidney health to share, we invite you to contribute to the conversation. Share your experiences, thoughts, and any research you've encountered in the comments below. Your story could be the insight someone else needs to hear, and together we can foster a community of health-conscious individuals supporting each other on their wellness journeys. But don't stop here. I encourage you to dive deeper into the topic of IF and its broader effects on health. Every body is unique, and understanding your own is key to making informed decisions that align with your health goals and needs. Look into the latest studies, consult healthcare professionals, and listen to your body's responses to different health practices. As you continue your research and reflection, consider this. Could intermittent fasting be the missing puzzle piece in your quest for better health? This question isn't just about if, it's about how we approach our health holistically, questioning and exploring to find what truly works for us individually. Remember, the journey to health is personal, and finding what fits your puzzle is a journey worth taking.